last 2 weeks of the break, she can always form a subcommittee. Ginagawa ko rin naman yun as chair of the Justice Committee na subcommittee. And I think she will be forming a subcommittee. Yun ang usapan nila ni SP Cheese, and she will be naming me as the chairman of the subcommittee. And kung gagawin po ni Chairperson Senator Pia Cayetano yun, tatanggapin ko po yung designation ko. And then, that means ginagawa namin ito so that we can hold the hearing in this coming 2 weeks. So dapat, yun po ang gagawin natin. We will have to fast-track everything. At kung ma-formalize na lang muna lahat, then I will have to fast-track everything. I will now, tatanungin ko sino ba ang nag-file ng reso na ito. Tatanungin ko yung senador na yun. Okay, sino ang resource persons na sa isip mo? And then magre-research din kami ng sarili namin. Mag-imbita kami ng resource persons bilang subcommittee in coordination with the Mother Committee, ang Senate Blue Ribbon. But we will make